This is a quick explanation of Lambda functions. So in my class, here is my class, it's public class Lamb. It closes in line 37. Inside the class I've got my main method, and everything that is in the main method will be executed. So I have got inside the same class, above the main method and in the class, I've got an interface. Interface is called math operation. Interface, as you know, interface only contains abstract methods. So here I've got my abstract method. Abstract method is called calc method, and input parameters A and B. Now, the rule about interfaces, an interface must have an implementation for every one of the methods in the interface. So I'm going to, in the main method, create my implementation for that interface. So here I've got maths operation. I create an object, and here in the same line where I make the object of my interface, okay, at that point I say exactly what I'm going to do with A and B. I'm going to add A plus B. This is a Lambda method, and it actually overrides this abstract method. So my Lambda method is created where I make the object. And where I make the object, I specify what the method must do. So I make the object of the class, the interface. Interface is math operation. I make the object of the interface. Object name is add, and the method in that interface is overridden here after the equals. So it says A and B is my input parameters, and what am I going to do with them? I'm going to add them. Here I've got a second object, and I override in this object. I again override the method of that interface. And here I've got a third object of the interface, and after the equals I specify what that method must do. I override the method, the calc method. And here is a fourth object, and again after the equals of where I make the object, I say what A and B must be used for. When I override my method in the interface, the use of data types is optional. So I can say A comma B is lambda equal to A plus B, or I can say int A and int B. And here I'm using the objects. I say for object add calc method, call calc method, which is the method in the interface, which got its code here where I make the object. Calc add calc method will go 1 plus 2. Okay, and subtract calc method will go 1 A subtract B, which is 1 subtract 2, and multiply calc method will use a different object, and divide will use a different one. And this is how I use Lambda functions. So it's a way of creating multiple overrides for a single method. That method is inside an interface in the same classes where I've got my main method. Just to point out, this interface can only have one method, and that method must be an abstract method. Thank you.